Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a wave pattern plot using Python. So, before starting, we need to import the required libraries. So, we'll import NumPy and Matplotlib. So NumPy is used for numerical operation and generating data points, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is used for visualization and plotting. So now we'll generate x-axis values. So for that we'll write So here this creates 400 evenly spaced points between 0 and 10. This ensures a smooth wave curve instead of jagged one. So now we'll define toWave function. So that can create two waves. So for that we'll write So this creates a standard sine wave and this creates a phase shifted sine wave shifted by pi by 2. This means y2 leads y1 by 90 degrees, so the two waves are out of sync. Now we'll create the figure and plot the waves. So for that we'll write This creates a figure with an 8 into 5 inch size, ensuring a properly scaled plot. So this plots the first sine wave y1 in royal blue color with line width is equals to 2. And now we'll plot the second wave So this plots the second sine wave y2 in crimson with a dashed line style. Line width is equals to 2 makes the lines thicker for better visibility, and label adds label for the legend. So now we'll customize the plot. For that we'll add the title to the plot. So this adds a suitable title to the plot. In which font size is 14 and font weight is bold. So this adds a bold title with a font size of 14. So this labels the x and y axis. And this adds a grid to improve the readability, and dashed grid line with a slight transparency where alpha is equals to 0.6, and at last will display the plot. So now we can check this. Hence we can see a wave pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.